In Joget DX, administrators can efficiently monitor and manage the overall state of all processes. With the Governance Health Check, administrators can assess their app's health across 3 key categories: performance, quality assurance, and security. This tool provides a comprehensive overview of the app's condition, helping maintain stability, reliability, and optimal performance. By default, you must log in as an admin. Expand Quick Edit. Click Monitor. From the Monitor menu, select Governance Health Check. At first, the health check results will be empty. To begin checking your app's health, you'll need to run the scan manually. Click the Run Check Now button to start the health check. Once the process completes, the health check results will be displayed, showing the app's condition across performance, quality assurance, and security categories. Each row represents a component being monitored, along with its latest check result, status, and details. The status column displays the current condition of each component. The last checked column shows when the component was last analyzed. And the details column provides additional notes or troubleshooting information. Let's review the meaning of each status. Pass means the component is working correctly. Warn shows a potential concern that may affect performance. Fail indicates an issue that needs attention. For example, a missing plugin failure will show a link to the missing plugin in the Joget Marketplace, where you can download and reinstall it. A score percentage reflects the accuracy or success rate of that component. Now that we've reviewed the status meanings, let's look at the available settings and actions in the Governance Health Check page. Manage Alert to set up notification alerts for future checks. Click Manage Alert. A Manage Alert pop-up will appear, showing the alert details form. These fields let you define who will receive the notifications and customize the alert message details. Close the Manage Alert. Delete data to clear all existing health check results. Filter Settings. This section is used to display selected issues and define how often the system performs automatic health checks. Deactivate to stop checking a certain component. Once deactivated, the component will be excluded from future scans. Configure, used to adjust or customize the settings of specific components. With the Governance Health Check in Joget DX, administrators can easily monitor app performance, maintain quality assurance, and strengthen security, ensuring every application runs smoothly and efficiently. Thank you. If you need more information or encounter any issues, the official documentation and Joget community are always available to help.